my channel. It's a girl selling. I need to be measuring my name on this channel, okay? Most of you guys ask me if that is my real name. Boo 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 boo. Selling is my real name. Get to know me tag and measuring. So but you insist I should mention my name, okay? It's me, it's your girl Celine, okay? I'm coming up to you with a makeup tutorial. And guys, just take a moment to give this look some accolades, okay? Because I'm really loving it a lot. Look, I'm coming up to you with this makeup tutorial, which I use the BH Cosmetic Royal Affair eyeshadow palette to achieve. I got this palette today, so I decide I'm going to be filming a tutorial on this palette because I just can't let this palette one day, okay? I just had to use it today. Super beautiful palette, guys. This is everything, and it was €19.99. so like what do you want? It was very affordable. And the most interesting part, I got it in drugstore. Can you imagine that? To get a BH Cosmetic palette in Austria in the drugstore, like I said, I had to grab it because when I go there again, I'm not going to see it because everybody is just hunting for this palette. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. All the rest products, guys, I did my face off camera, okay? I did my face off camera, yeah, I just said it, but I did my eye camera because I really want the focus to be on this eye, okay? Because you guys have seen me a million times doing my brow, my foundation, highlight and contour, all this good stuff. So I decided just to focus on this eye, okay? Every details about this look, all the products I use is going to be listed in the description box below, okay? And some of you guys asked me on Instagram if I'm going to be doing a vlogmas. Of course not. Unfortunately, it's already late, so I'm not going to be starting what I can bring to an end. That is why I didn't even reply the person, okay? I'm sorry. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? You don't want to join this family? We slay on this family, okay? Just go ahead before you leave. It's right beside you, and click the notification bell as well, so with that you'll be notified when I have a brand new video on my channel. With that being said, if you're interested, you want to see how I use this BH Cosmetic Royal Affair palette to achieve this look, you already know what to do. Grab a glass of prosecco and let's start this tutorial. Pop it to rock your own beauty, okay? It's not all about wig. Like seriously, check out my lips. It's popping. It's wait, guys, let me stop. Today no wig, okay? You guys should just accept me the way I come online sometimes, okay? No long talking. As always, don't forget to do you, stay pretty, stay blessed, and I will see you all in my next video. Take it, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure this video gets to up to 100 views. Means a lot. You guys have shown me love previously on my videos. Like, you guys are just so amazing. One love. So guys, to start up, I'm going to be taking this NYX eyeshadow base. This is a concealer, and I really like the fact that it's very pigment when you apply it before you apply your eyeshadow. Concealer brow, the one I use to clean my brow, this one is by Luvia Cosmetics, and I'm just going to dip it in my brow just like so. You turn toward me and look so weak. Guys, I don't want this look to be too dramatic. I'm just going to make it simple as possible. And guys, in case you can hear my voice, because my battery on my microphone is about to be flat, it's showing me red, so I just want to let you guys to know in case you guys are not hearing what I'm saying. So I'm going to be doing a voice over, okay? I'm just going to blend that out a little bit for any ash line, and I'm using my Real Technique damped kabuki brush. So guys, for my transition color, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. What is it called? It's called Lady. This shade right here is a very dark peachy color. This one. Apply that on my outer crease, and at the same time kind of blend it. Not blending, I'm just dabbing because my concealer is still a bit wet. The pigment can really pop out well. And I'm using this brush by Luvia Cosmetics as well. After I apply, I'm just going to slightly blend it out. I'm just using very soft-handed because the concealer is very soaky, it's wet, so I don't want it to be patchy, so that is why I'm just softly blending it. This peach color is kind of coming out as a pink, well, let's see.
Where the ocean meets the sky, under our
so I'm going to be taking this color, it's called Moorish, and it's kind of a bit green, calmer green, if that makes sense. Can you see that? Can you see what just happened? The pigment is just something guys, I really need to be careful. You see that pigment? You see, you guys, like seriously, do you see that? Are you see what I'm seeing? Are you see what I'm seeing? Are you see what I'm seeing? I really need to be careful. A shade called Lady, which is the first color I use as my transition color. I'm just going to blend the edges out because I don't want this to go to my brow bone area. I'm so lucky I didn't really put more pressure on the brush. If not, it would have messed my whole eyebrow. I'm loving it. And this eyeshadow, guys, is blendable. It's very, very blendable. Very, very blendable. Okay, burgundy chocolate, this color right here, burgundy chocolate. I'm just going to dip that on my outer corner. It's a very tiny, round, precise crease brush. Yes, this is what I want, guys. This is what I want.
You turned toward me and looked so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes.
So now I love how it looks like. I'm just going to dip in my brush once again into that shade. Just blend it. I'm just going to spray my brush. I'm using the Smart Face Matte. I'm taking the silver shade. What is it called? It's called High Tea. High Tea. This one right here. Oh my days. Oh my days. Guys, can you see the pigment? Can you see that?
Return to the wild.
It has a little bit fallout, guys. In case you're wondering if the palette has a fallout, I just noticed a bit of fallout under my eye, but it's okay. It's not. I'm not mad. I'm not mad.
Follow me down.
Guys, I'm going to be spraying my face with a MAC Face Matte. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
It's so damn polite, can make you.
Guys, I love this look. I'm going to be right back. I had to change my outfit. Today I'm not going to be rocking any wig at all. I'm just going to put my cap. I've been loving this cap lately. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be. This is going to be my hairstyle for today, okay? I'm tired of wearing wig. Like I need some space. I need to breathe. I need to breathe. I need to breathe. That is why I'm not going to be applying any wig. So what do you guys think? I'm also looking cute like this or not, but just stick around. I'm going to be changing my outfit and I'll be right back, okay?
Underneath the rose I've treed, I will see you where the ocean meets